Hi, welcome back to Line Dance with Christiane. Yes, we can. And my partner, Demi. She's got her special yellow scarf on today. So today I wanted to help you understand a few things about line dancing that I think is a little different. The first is there's something we often call a tag or a restart. Well, what's a tag and what's a restart, right, Demi? What's a tag and what's a restart? So let's start with the first definition of a tag. So a tag is a place in the music where the chorus, usually songs are 32 count choruses, and the often line dances are 32 counts, but then every so often in a song, there's this extra piece of music. That's what I call it, extra piece of music. And at this extra piece of music, if you kept doing the same 32 step counts, it wouldn't fit as well with this little tag piece of music. So the choreographers will often recognize that when they're choreographing in a song, and they will do something different during the tag period. So you'll keep doing the 32 counts, and then we will tell you there's a tag, and during the tag you do different steps, and then you go back to the same 32 count steps again. So that's a tag. And whenever you're learning a dance, we will teach you, the teacher will teach you where the tag is and what it is. The next common term that sounds a little different when you're first line dancing is a restart. So what's a restart? What's a restart, Demi? A restart is, again, the music is going to dictate it to the choreographer, and the restart happens, again, the music is going to change, and the chorus is all of a sudden going to start there rather than waiting the most common 32 counts. So when there's a restart, you won't finish all of the 32 counts. The teacher or the choreographer will tell you, do 16 counts and then restart. So the restart often goes back to the very first steps. So the tag is an extra piece of music with different steps, and a restart is the same steps, but at a different place in the song where the music changed and the choreographer felt that it would be better to restart there with the chorus. It would coincide and play along with the music much, much better, the steps would. So thank you for joining me today. That's what a tag is and a restart, and have fun on the dance floor. And any comments, I'd love to hear them. Just click below. Bye.